Want to see the kind of gadgets everyone ends up talking about? These cool and popular Amazon finds are designed to make everyday life easier, smarter, and a lot more fun. From home upgrades to clever problem solvers, each one feels like something you didn't know you needed until now. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Cooking outdoors just got easier. This portable camping stove delivers powerful heat, boiling water in minutes, and handling all your meals on the trail. Its windproof design keeps flames steady, while foldable legs and a compact storage bag make it easy to carry anywhere. Ignite instantly with the built-in piezo system and adjust the flame for precise cooking. Safe, sturdy, and versatile, it's perfect for hiking, picnics, RV trips, or emergencies. Keep your toothbrush clean, dry, and ready to use with this smart UV holder. It sanitizes with UV light and heats to dry brushes, eliminating germs while protecting your health. The sensor lets you operate it hands-free. Just wave or touch to start. Multiple holders organize toothbrushes and razors for one or the whole family. Compact, rechargeable, and wall-mounted, it's perfect for home or travel, keeping your bathroom tidy and hygienic. Imagine a pen that can actually make calls. This mini phone pen lets you write, dial, and receive calls all from one tiny device. It supports dual SIMs, memory cards, and even Bluetooth music streaming. There's a camera, flashlight, and FM radio built in, making it perfect for travel, school, or emergencies. Small enough to fit in your pocket, it's a clever backup phone with surprising functionality. Take your movies anywhere with this ultra mini pocket projector. It turns any wall into a big screen up to 150 inches, perfect for films, games, or slideshows. Connect via cables or mirror your phone wirelessly for seamless streaming. Built-in speakers and a rechargeable battery make it completely portable, so you can watch and listen on the go. Compact, bright, and easy to use, it's a tiny device that packs a huge entertainment punch. Tired of messy cords everywhere? This 2-in-1 retractable charger keeps your space neat while powering up your devices fast. It comes with both Lightning and Type-C cables, so you can charge 2 gadgets at the same time. Advanced tech delivers stable, fast charging, giving your phone or tablet a quick boost without overheating. The cables retract automatically, making it perfect for travel, work, or home. Durable, bright, and easy to spot. It's a simple way to stay powered up. Who says a fridge can't be cute and clever? This compact character fridge adds personality while keeping your snacks and drinks cool. It comes with a built-in speaker, so you can play music straight from your phone while you chill. There's also a UV cleaning feature that helps keep the inside fresh and hygienic. Small, stylish, and fun. It's perfect for bedrooms, desks, or anywhere you want cooling with character. Keys are easy to lose, but your fingerprint isn't. This smart padlock opens instantly with a simple touch, giving you fast and secure access. It remembers multiple fingerprints, so you can share access with people you trust. If someone tries to mess with it, the built-in alarm sounds off to scare them away. It's waterproof, rechargeable, and ready to protect bikes, bags, gates, or lockers anywhere you need. Selfies look better when you can actually see yourself. This mini monitor clips onto your phone and mirrors the rear camera in real time. You use the better back camera while framing your shot perfectly every time. It plugs in instantly, stays smooth with zero lag, and never needs charging. Whether you're vlogging, going live, or filming short videos, you stay centered, sharp, and confident on screen. Your bike doesn't just ride at night, it makes a statement. This smart rear bike light turns your tail light into an animated display that grabs attention instantly. You can switch modes or design your own graphics right from your phone, so every ride feels personal. It's bright, weather-ready, and easy to spot even in busy streets. Recharge it once, snap it on, and ride with visibility that looks as cool as it feels. Your tech collects more dirt than you think. This all-in-one electronic cleaning kit gives you the right tool for every tiny mess. Soft brushes sweep dust from keyboards and ports, while gentle sponges clean screens without scratching. The precision tip reaches deep into crevices where grime loves to hide. Everything packs neatly together, so keeping your phone, laptop, and earbuds clean feels quick, easy, and oddly satisfying. Curiosity gets a closer look with this clever bug catcher. You can safely trap insects with one hand, then study them up close through the built-in magnifying lens. The clear viewing chamber lets you see tiny details without touching or harming the bug. When you're done, a quick release sends it right back outside. It's a fun, hands-on way for kids and adults to explore nature together. Heat shouldn't slow you down. This mini bladeless fan clips right onto your shirt, bag, or waist and keeps cool air flowing hands-free. With no exposed blades, it's safe around hair and clothes and stays whisper quiet while running. You can switch between 3 speeds to match the heat around you. It's rechargeable, lightweight, and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel, outdoor days, or long hours at work. Your charger doesn't have to look boring. This car-shaped wireless charging mat turns your desk into a smart charging hub. You just place your phone, earbuds, or watch on top, and they start charging instantly. No cables to juggle. The fast wireless system finds the right spot automatically, so you don't have to line things up perfectly or remove your case. It saves space, keeps everything organized, and makes charging feel effortless wherever you are. Typing, swiping, or sketching. Why settle for ordinary when your iPad can do it all? This transparent keyboard case turns your iPad into a laptop-like workstation with full body protection that shows off its sleek design. The 7-color backlit keyboard adapts to any lighting, while the multi-touch trackpad lets you scroll, pinch, and swipe with ease. Its 360-degree rotating stand gives you perfect angles for work, videos, or calls. Fast charging powers it up in just 2 hours, keeping you productive for a full month without interruptions. Buttons are old news when your headphones have a screen. These over-ear wireless headphones come with a built-in touch display that lets you control music, calls, and volume with a simple tap. Active noise canceling blocks out traffic, chatter, and plain noise so you hear only what you want. With advanced wireless audio support, you get clearer sound and smoother playback without annoying lag. The battery lasts through long trips, and the foldable, cushioned design keeps you comfortable wherever you go. Turn any flat surface into a full keyboard instantly. This wireless laser projection keyboard lights up with a clear layout you can tap on like a real keyboard. It connects via Bluetooth to your phone, tablet, or laptop, so typing is fast and convenient anywhere. Rechargeable and compact, it slips easily into your bag or pocket. Perfect for work, gaming, or on-the-go typing without carrying bulky accessories. Brewing the perfect cup of tea has never been this easy. This electric kettle lifts the tea infuser automatically, letting your leaves steep just right without any mess. 5 preset modes handle green, black, herbal, and more, or you can customize temperature and time for your own creations. With fast heating and a large 1.7-liter capacity, there's enough for everyone. It's glass and stainless steel, easy to clean, and keeps your tea warm while remembering your last brew. Ever wondered what it feels like to shoot a web from your wrist? This web launcher brings superhero roleplay to life with a quick flick and a press. You can fire the string, reel it back in, and launch again in seconds. Different tips let you stick it to metal or smooth surfaces for creative play. It's durable, easy to use, and made for you if pretending to be a hero never gets old. Ever seen a hard-boiled egg turn completely golden inside? This clever egg spinner mixes the yolk and white together without cracking the shell. You just pull the cord, let it spin, and the egg blends itself using simple motion. No mess, no bowls, and no air getting inside the egg. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for you when cooking eggs needs to feel a little more fun and creative. Forget buttons. This car listens to your moves. This gesture-controlled stunt car lets you steer, drift, and flip just by moving your hand. It spins, transforms, and tackles rough ground with ease, making every drive feel like a mini action show. Bright lights and music kick things up a notch, especially during races with friends. You get fast response, wild stunts, and non-stop fun that keeps you coming back for one more run. Shaky videos can ruin even the best moments. This smartphone gimbal keeps your footage smooth and steady while you walk, move, or vlog on the go. The magnetic mount lets you snap your phone on in seconds, so you never miss a shot. Smart tracking follows you automatically, keeping you centered without needing help. Fold it up, drop it in your bag, and create polished videos that look effortlessly professional. Your music deserves more than a basic phone speaker. This high-end digital audio player gives you rich, detailed sound in a sleek, portable design you can take anywhere. The large touchscreen makes browsing albums and streaming feel smooth and familiar. Inside, advanced audio processing keeps music clean and powerful, so you hear more depth and clarity in every track. You can listen wired or wireless, store tons of music, and enjoy long sessions without worrying about battery life. Fire exactly where you want it, every single time. This torch lighter gives you a powerful, focused flame that cuts through wind with ease. You can adjust the flame strength depending on what you're lighting, from delicate candles to outdoor grills. A built-in safety lock helps prevent accidental use, giving you peace of mind at home or on the go. It's refillable, solid in hand, and made for you when a regular lighter just won't cut it. Throw it, watch it fly, and get ready to be amazed. This flying orb ball responds to how you toss it, gliding forward or boomeranging right back to you. You control it with your hands, no remote needed, making play feel almost like magic. Colorful lights kick in as it spins, turning any room or backyard into a mini light show. It's lightweight, durable, and recharges fast, so you can jump back into the fun again and again. Two everyday essentials finally merged into one smart little upgrade. This fitness watch hides wireless earbuds right inside the face, so you're always ready for calls or music without carrying extra gear. You can answer calls, read messages, and stay connected straight from your wrist. Health tracking keeps an eye on your steps, sleep, heart rate, and daily activity while you go about your day. The earbuds sound clear, control with simple taps, and even recharge while stored in the watch. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.